Hello everyone, my name is Seamus McKeague. I'm the CEO of Creagh Concrete based in Northern Ireland. Our company employs about 1,000 people, directly and indirectly, and our markets are right across Ireland and the UK. The purpose of my presentation here in Copenhagen is really to explain the opportunity that's in that market for precast within medium high-rise accommodation. There are about 300,000 units a year built in the UK and Ireland, residential units. Of that, about 20-25% of it is what we call medium high-rise. So we believe there's a market there for about 50 to 60,000 apartments a year in that sector. And also we believe that typically there will be, say, 25% of that available for precast construction. And that would have a value of about around 15,000 units. The typical value of an apartment in terms of precast construction is, say, €50,000, which equates to 750 million. So we see that as a big game, a big opportunity for our business and our industry to take advantage of. Next year we have 50 million in our order book for this sector. And we believe that having more collaborative approach within our precast industry and more sharing of knowledge so that we can grow that to much more than 25%. But to get involved in it, you have to invest in your company. You also must prepare to take on the risk of being a specialist contractor. So that is what my message is at the BIBM Congress, is that there's an opportunity and a more collaborative approach we can build a better industry. Because one thing that we have been really hurt with over the industry, and it's really, I think, plagued our industry, is lack of continuity. Too many highs and lows. And if we can get more regular flow of work through our factories, then we can have a better industry and a more profitable industry and a more sustainable industry. Thank you.